Hello everyone, this is splendid. I'm at a Xiamen Stone Fair, the first day of the first day of showing. Just follow my lead and we're going to head to this wonderful hall. There's a gorgeous lady, a showgirl. She's pretty. Let's go ahead and see that one. That is the start of this hall. It's pretty nice. Okay, we go and see the pavilion of Turkey. It's the Turkish pavilion. So Turkey is replete with different marbles, granites, and wonderful stones. Yeah, that is why they've got a spacious showing place. It's pretty commodious. Big, isn't it? So I'm gonna walking along this aisle and we are going to see the chief players. Since it's very big, I don't have the time to cover everyone. Guys, if you're here, just give me a like. Your like means a lot for me. And your like is like a bottle of water in the desert. Even you don't subscribe to my channel, but a like is appreciated. Okay, let's go and see that one. The deist. Wow, this name is pretty Chinese, but actually it's an international one. That one's from Turkey. So that side is Turkish one too. And the carpet is pretty nice. It's light blue. So it matches the hall very well. FHL. This one is totally covered by the wonderful exhibits. It looks pretty nice. A semi-transparent. Yeah, this information counter is very swanky, very classy. The VIPs are here. It's pretty nice. It's one of the nice ones, I think. Okay, let's go and head to the Brazil one. You know, Brazil is a large country. It's located in the southern part of this wonderful hemisphere, the globe, southern hemisphere. And it's ginormous. It's a little bit smaller than China, but it's absolutely huge. Amazon River. So there's it's filled with different mines, quarries. I think there's immense resources. We can't kill them all, I think. Yeah, it's absolutely massive, this country. It's filled with different treasures, natural treasures. So every year when I'm here, I can see the Brazilian pavilion. Yeah, they come here every time. I think the Asian market is quite significant. Yeah, let's go and see more. That is from Egypt, an Asian country. Egypt is a gorgeous country. It's very civilized and world known. And there's sugar again. One more sugar. Why they just received international sugars, not Chinese girls? She's quite good looking. From Egypt, and this is a Egyptian booth. There's a big screen. Since I'm not a pro, I just introduce them roughly without any professional knowledge. Hopefully you guys can make some comment if you've got some different perspectives of this wonderful fair. Since you are a pro, maybe my title is enticing you here. And not entice is not a good one. My title is exactly what my video is showing. It's pretty nice to enjoy this wonderful place, and people are pretty pretty jubilant to be here, and I'm making a lot of business deals. And I meet some international buyers and distributors and even some potential customers. So attending a show is significantly important, paramount for your success of a business. That one's DIMER from Turkey. When I focus on the logo, I just pause for a while, and you can find them. Then you can know who it is. That one is from Norway. You can see the flag is a Norwegian one. Some of the customers told me this is the largest stone fair in the world. It passed the Italian one already. I don't have any knowledge of this. Maybe you are a pro. Is this the largest one in the world? Since you have been to the Italian one, so you can compare these two, maybe you can have your own conclusion. The security is walking here. It's pretty nice. It's safe to show in China. It's very secure and safe. No theft, no riots, no any, bad things. You just focus on your showing, on your products. There's one child. That child is here. And maybe that child is learning something from his folks. His father is going to be the heir of this company. That's just my assumption. If a child comes here, which means the manager's son is there. If normal staff, I think they can't take their children here. Most of the CEOs or managers, children. Otherwise, I don't think a boss wants his staff to take their children here. I'm a young child. It is a little bit impossible. This is a combination of two countries, Turkey and Iran. You can see the logos or the flags. Okay, guys, this is the end of this hall. This hall is holding the international players. So it's pretty nice to have a rough check. And if you like this video, just give me a like. I'm so appreciated to have your support. Your support makes me have more courage and interest to do more wonderful videos. I will see you guys later, everyone. Bye-bye, everyone. See you. Bye-bye.